Our project is going to change and improve the learning outcomes of the kids, and they will also have a great opportunity to exchange with their counterparts in the other continents, so Africa or Europe. It will also have a great impact in preparing them for the next skills for the next century. So overall, the idea is to make sure that when they will graduate from school, they will be able to find a job with the skills that they will have learned.
So in this case, we're talking about digital skills, we're talking about problem-solving skills, we're talking about emotional intelligence, we're talking about ability to collaborate, teamwork, and the kind of critical skills that we need to become more global citizens.
We know that innovative schools are pioneers in this field, so it's really to bring together the best practices so that then it can be implemented in Africa and in Europe.
First is the fact that I had opportunity to work with other experts from different parts of the world. We were able to exchange perspectives, and we're able to come together to co-create something that we know would improve the learning outcomes both in Africa and also in Europe. We met with top-class facilitators who contributed largely to some of the things that we were working on. They were able to help us see things in the proper perspective. Everyone, as they rightly mentioned, I'm Ade, and I work in the field of access to computer science education. I'm here to represent the Education and Skills Cluster. And just to give some context to our work, education, access to quality education still remains a global issue. And according to UNESCO, over 264 million young people still do not have access to quality education. And on top of that, those who still have access still are not able to learn some of the things that would give them value in the world of work today. Our project will equip over 1,000 students in Mali and Spain with skills in the area of 21st century, especially in STEAM education, to prepare them for the world of work. They would also be equipped with skills like leadership and life skills so that they can become active citizens within the society. We would also be working with over 180 teachers by equipping them to be able to effectively pass these skills to the students. What is innovative about this project is the fact that the co-creation that is involved between Africans and Europeans, and the involvement of young people at every phase of the project and in the core of the project, right from the evaluation of the learning needs to the implementation of the project and to the governance of the project itself. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The opportunities available for them in this field, they can go on to become a full stack developer. They can go on to become data scientists. They can also go on to become Java, Python application developer. And for the web development classes, so they understand how the web works and they can write codes and build a website. They can, in the class, they will be introduced to HTML, CSS, WordPress, and at the end of the program, they are expected to be able to build a web